this is Anastasia Haldridge, aka Coach Ace. Welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design's YouTube channel, the place to come to learn how you can make money online because no one teaches digital marketing like Ace and Rich. Thank you so much for stopping by this video today. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a beat when we go live, and don't forget to leave some comments and some likes. Now on today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can create a Pinterest board cover. In my last video, I talked about how to actually change out your profile cover header and photo, and if you need to see that video, I will put the link below in the description so you can go to that video and check that tutorial out. It's going to be a real cool one, and that'll help you take care of that step. But now let's take a look at our Pinterest account and let's look at how to create a Pinterest board cover. Because here's the thing, when it comes to brand congruency and branding yourself online, your Pinterest profile for your business has to be put together well. So that way all of the themes and the actual pins that you pin have board covers so that people know what directory goes to what. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to the screen. Now right here is our Ace and Rich Pinterest profile. And as you can see, we are going to look at our boards. If you click on boards, you're going to see how I have actually made board covers. And the theme along with my brand colors, which is the blue and the turquoise green, that is all put together. And every pin is like almost put into a folder, right? And so every board has a cover design. Now you could do this with your own theme, with your own branding colors, right? So let me show you how I made this in Canva. I'll give you the actual size and dimensions so you know exactly what to do when you use your Canva account to create these beautiful Pinterest board covers. Now let's open up Canva. So this is canva.com, okay? Now in canva.com, this is a free graphic design type of site where you can create board covers, you can make images, you can make logos, you can make all kinds of great things, right? Presentations, posters, flyers, Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, all that jazz. You can do all of that here, but we're going to use this site so that we can create our board cover. Now, the site recommendations according to Pinterest.com is 800 by 800 pixels. So what you want to do is click on custom dimensions like so and type in here 800 by 800 px for pixels. And once you get that size, you're going to create new design. And what that's going to do is open up a blank canvas. Now I already have a template and theme to show you how I did mine. Let me drag and drop that over here so you can see to save time. And this is my area here where I actually work, and I can change things out if I want to, but this is my template. This is for my social media marketing mastery board. Now if you guys don't know what that is, let me minimize this and I'll show you. There is a social media marketing mastery board over here, alphabetical order. There it is right there. When I click on it, that means anything related to social media marketing, any pins related to that, any videos that I pin go into this particular board. This is where all my pins related to that particular topic and subject goes. But it could look really funky if you don't have a board cover, because then this will be like this when they see it. So to create the board cover, you use Canva to create the board cover, right? Once you have the board cover in front of you, you save the board, right? Give it a file name, name the file. After you name the file, you can say, branded Pinterest board cover 1, for example, right? And then you go over here to download. You click download. Okay. Once you select your board cover and you've downloaded it, put it in your desktop, save it. Now that you have that, let's go back to Pinterest. And what you want to do is you're going to make a new pin, but that is going to be your board cover. So watch this. You go over here, click on the red plus sign, create a pin, upload the image by clicking on the arrow, select the image you want, open, okay? And you don't have to give it a title or anything, but if you want, you can. I usually recommend you do, but it's just to keep it congruent, right? So social media marketing mastery. Okay. And with a board cover, you can give it a description so that people, when they come to that board, they know exactly what pins are there and what is going to be related to that. So you could put this board just type a short description. This board has all pins related to marketing on social media for success. Enjoy. Okay? So something like that. And then once you do, okay, it's going to say publish immediately. So you're going to say publish immediately. We're going to do, and it's going to ask you, well, where do you want it to be? So we want social media marketing mastery. Go over here, publish. Okay, and there it is. What we want to do is select the pencil. And then right here, here's the board. And it says section. You don't need to put any sections. You just leave it just the way it is. And you save it, right? It's fine. There it is. It's going to be right here with social media marketing mastery. Okay? So if you want to change the board cover, you can click on the pencil. You can always change the title, the description, and all that. But when you change the image, keep in mind, you have to back out of here. Click on the pencil. And you see where it says cover? That's where you hit change. And you want to make sure it shows right there. You want to make sure it shows up. If it doesn't show up, you did it wrong. So now that it has showed up, you save changes. You can change anytime you want by hitting the dropped arrow right here to the right. And you can choose any of these things to be your board cover. But since you made the image and you pinned it, you can choose the pinned image to become the board cover. This is why hitting on the pencil is important. Once you select that, hit Save Changes. Click Save. And every single one of your boards, you should be doing this too. So I created themes for affiliate marketing companies, affiliate marketing success, fashion lookbook where I put shoes and clothes, life hacks. I put quotes of the day where I put a lot of my pins for my quotes, any recipes. You see how easy it is when you look at it and it's branded to you? Now, I've seen actual people do this, and one of them that I admire the most is Angie Gensler. She's one of my great mentors. And you look right here, she does it. This is who I learned it from. Right here, there you have it. See how she does it? So this will give you some insight and some ideas of how you should be branding yourself. You know, stick with your colors. Make sure it has some brand congruency throughout your Pinterest board. Because when somebody goes to your Pinterest, they want to see that branding, like consistency all throughout with their colors and everything. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. And now you understand exactly what it means to create your Pinterest board cover. And very easy, you can make it in Canva. Okay, remember the size it does matter because you want to make it 800 by 800 pixels. Okay, with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by this video today, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to learn how to have the freedom I have, that Rich has, and learn how we fired our bosses to achieve that freedom and break free, click the link below this video to find out more about our #1 recommended income stream. My name is Anastasia Hollis, aka Coach Ace, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.